Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will take a couple of trades. We have this uptrend and we created this doji, which means that the market is kind of indecision. I'm looking for this candle to close exactly right here. I go with sellers because of this doji break. And also if you look at the past, we have pretty healthy trend. And also we have long wicks, so we probably could wait for entering with marginal safety, but I prefer to enter immediately because yeah, sometimes I just miss the chance by waiting for marginal safety. So this is going to be the first trade. When you have healthy trends like this, more likely to dojis work. And also it's very good for ranging markets. When you have a doji in a ranging market, more likely to work. But for example, when you have a momentum and not very healthy trend like this, what I mean by healthy trend is just, red and green candles back and forth. Okay, here also I will go with the dojis. I'll go with the doji, and let me see. Okay, we also have this trend line, so it's better to enter with marginal safety. Right, someone's just okay, right on this round number. Okay, sometimes we have gap to the trend line and just feels the gap. Since we have this gap up as well, so we can have this red candle. That's why I stopped and I didn't go with the buyers right away. So I will mark this gap right here. This is called gap up, and basically gaps also create us levels. This gap is combining with this round number, and also we have this outside bar. We need that retracement. We broke this doji, and yes, it gave us the retracement. I was expecting a very small retrace of this trend line and then go up. Unfortunately, it didn't give me entry, so I'm just gonna wait here to see. Okay, come on. Oh yeah, sometimes just we have some perfect trade, but since we don't get like entry, just you don't have to be mad for some for missing some opportunities. That's the key. So here also as well, we have this doji right here. So many people asking about dojis. Doji is my favorite. And yeah, if you draw the common line right here, you will see that we have this rejection point. And then we broke this doji. Basically, we didn't just broke this doji. We did break the indecision market. Okay, if you look at these two candles in lower time frame, it's going to be like this. So this is called indecision and ranging market. So when we break this, okay, break this, the next entry should be here. I mean, if I was here at this particular movement of market, I would go triple trade on this candle. Okay, so sometimes you have very, very beautiful moments in the market and you just miss them. Oh my god. Okay, so let me just check other pairs. Okay, here also you see that rejections, right? And again, rejections. So what is the logical entry point in this market? Just be creative. Draw the lines, common rejection point exactly right here. Next, previous time rejected from here, and then again rejection from here. So what is the best entry? Is up here. If we get the chance of entering at this point of the market, that's amazing. If we don't, that's okay. Okay, so yeah. Some people asking about do and don'ts. The key really, I mean, I'm saying this on experience. A lot of people, like when they don't like when the situation doesn't met their expectation, especially when they have a perfect trade and that doesn't work out, it makes them mad, okay? And it makes them lose their confidence and they stop looking for best opportunities. Okay, they try to change. For example, you're trading with a particular strategy with indicators, for example, and then you take a couple of trades, this winning trade, and you're happy that you can make money, and the next day you come in the market and you see that okay, that doesn't I mean that doesn't work anymore. What has happened? Why I'm losing? So that makes you feel like, okay, this strategy, I'm tired of this strategy, let's just change it. Okay, that way people just keep changing their strategies and they never get profitable. But if you keep going with the same strategy, it doesn't matter. That's indicator strategy. That's I don't know, price action, candlestick psychology. You will debug the strategy. Okay, you will find the bugs, you will find the problems with it. Maybe you can fix them and get profitable. Okay, that's something that so many people missing. Here we have this round number, we have this seller's entry. Momentum started from here and previously rejected. So let me see. Since we have this momentum, it's kind of unhealthy to go against it, but I'm looking for candle close in this case. Okay, candle didn't close. It's trying to reach to this seller's entry. Okay. And also this is major uptrend retracement, and again one more uptrend on the way. Also we had this trend line broken, pull back, and again going up. So the market is fully bullish. Market is fully bullish. And also this is not a very reliable level to trade on because we have gap on here. Okay, again gap, crazy gap. Yeah, in this trading session I'm just, okay, look at this. Rejection point. I love to see these kind of markets. This is underrated. So many people they say that this is bad market. This is not a bad market. Okay, look at this rejection points. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejection of this line. So let's see if we have the 6th one. I mean, sometimes like when trading rejection points, I've tested this a lot. Sometimes it just comes across and like goes to the moon. Okay, that's a key psychological moment. Okay, you have to just keep calm and keep trying and keep trading the same strategy. Okay, and yeah, let's just see. Okay, for example, if you were considering this one as a third rejection point, you would miss the trade. That's why insisting on the common rejection point. In this case, this area would be common, and we took the trade right here. Okay, and yep. For me personally, the psychological part of trading is everything. I mean, if you're not mastering your psychology, your brain, your mind, even if you're best trader, you're gonna face the moment that you are frustrated and you're gonna lose your margin on that moment. That's why, I mean, the binary brokers make money from the people's psychology. Always remember that. Okay, here we have this trend line, and this is a QMR level. Okay, if you search on YouTube, you will find that when you have this level right here, this is called QM or Quashimodo, whatever. So it's basically getting used in Forex, but I use this in binary sometimes as well, especially when it's lined up with the trend line. Okay, this is a very good rejection point. We also have this round number. So I'll be waiting for this opportunity right here. Let's see. Okay, so look at this one. Look at this one. We have this seller's entry, strong candle started this momentum. And again, seller's entry one more time. The third time it closed right here. Combined with this round number, we have a lot of rejections. The best entry would be here, right on this area. Okay? Amazing. Oh, we missed the chance. We missed the chance, guys. Oh my god. No. We missed the chance. The entry would be exactly right here. This is a super strong rejection point. I mean, this round number combined with this QM level, this gap right here, and then the trend line. Okay, and again, we missed this. We're supposed to enter right here. Okay, I mean, if this was a healthy trend, I would enter again as well. But since this is momentum, we might break this because most likely it's gonna work one more time. So I'm just gonna change this. I'm sometimes, yeah. Another point about rejection points. Imagine this rejection point right here, okay? After this I mean, when the price is somewhere here, we don't have these candles, you can count on these rejections. But since we have a sharp starting momentum from here, and again, we have this downtrend, it's gonna ignore this one. It's gonna ignore this one, just like this one, okay? Basically, ABC patterns, ABC, okay, ABC. When you see this in the buyer sides, it means that we have strong buyers trend. When you see this in the seller side, it means that strong sellers trend. When you have ABC coming to this rejection point, most likely it's not going to work, okay? And it's very important where to use that. Look at this one. We have this beautiful trend line, ABC sellers trend line. And we have this doji right here. We basically broke this doji and closed right on the trend line. We have this gap up on this round number, okay? And then what is the best entry here? On this round number, okay? I don't know, I'm looking at the market, I see beautiful setups, but yeah, you see that one more time it worked. Yeah, in this video, I just talked about some points that might be useful for you guys. Didn't really take a lot of trades. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And the video is already long. If you like these type of videos analysis, please let me know in the comments. And the platform link also in the description. You will get 50% more money if you deposit creating with this particular link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.